Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels like I haven't spoken to you guys in a really long time. Yeah, I think it's been about 2 months since I did a YouTube video, and it's just been really busy with work, life, things that I'm volunteering with, basically everything. It's been so hectic. So when I finally have a little breather this weekend, I thought, why not catch up with you guys and also film a quick YouTube video. And since I've been carrying my Birkin 25 a lot recently, especially when I'm out like running errands, doing stuff, I thought why not do an updated what's in my bag. But before that, I just want to give a quick shout out to Ana Luisa. Again, they have very kindly reached out and gifted me some beautiful pieces, which you guys can see. I'm wearing 2 of the necklaces that they gifted me, and it's so beautiful. You guys know that I love gold, and these 2 necklaces just stack so well. You can wear them on their own. They look perfect, they look beautiful by themselves, but I decided to go a little bit crazy since we hardly go out nowadays and just look fabulous at home. So I have worn these 2 necklaces together with the necklace that I wear all the time. This is the crucifix that I wear, and I literally never take it out. They just add a little something to a really plain outfit, which is what I love about jewelry, because I find that they just add so much to an outfit. You can be wearing like a simple white tee or, you know, a simple blouse like this, but with jewelry they just add a little something to your outfit. And of course, I'm also wearing this beautiful ring here, which was also gifted by Ana Luisa. I've been wearing this so often since I got it. Literally every time I'm out of the house, this is a ring that I will put on. It is so pretty, which is why I've been wearing it so often. Thank you to Ana Luisa. If you guys want to get any of their pieces, they are having a great Black Friday sale. You buy one and you get another piece 60% off. So I will leave all of the details, and if you want to shop Ana Luisa, you can click the link in my description box. Moving on to what's in my bag. This is the Birkin 25. It is in Swift leather, it is in the color Rose Liette, and it is in the Raton style. And let's just dive right into what's in my bag. And if you guys can see, I finally decided to buy an insert. So basically everything I have in my bag is inside this insert, and let's just see, I always thought that I did not need an insert because most of my things are in like pouches, wallets and whatnot. So even if I just throw them into my bag, it is pretty organized already. But recently when I got another bag, the Picotin, I wanted to get an insert to hold the shape. So I thought, since I'm already buying an insert for one bag, I might as well just get inserts for all of my bags. So that's what I did. I bought a bunch of inserts, and when I got them and I started using them, let's just say I am never using or carrying my bags without inserts anymore, because they just help to organize everything even more, and it's just amazing. So you can see, like, basically they have like pouches here, and oh, the inserts I got are from Samorga. So you can see the logo right here, and I find that the quality is pretty good, especially since the price of Samorga inserts are really affordable. I did consider getting the 7 Rue Paradis insert, but I can't really justify paying that amount for an insert, at least at this point of time. So yeah, enough with the rambling, and I will show you what's in my bag. The very first thing I'm sure you guys are familiar with is my Hermes Kelvy, which holds all of my cards. I use this and I bring this around everywhere I go, and it just has everything that I need inside, which is so convenient. So that's the first thing. The next is, as you guys might be familiar with, again, it is my Hermes Kelvy, which holds my rosary. This is also another item which I never leave the house without. So this is also in the insert. The next thing is hand sanitizer. Again, since we're living in this pandemic, this is a must-have, and I not only have one but I have two just because I am crazy. I'm just kidding. This is by Bath and Body Works and this smells so good. So this is Champagne Toast and it's just one of my new favorite hand sanitizers. The next thing I have, even though I don't really use much of it except for like now since I'm filming, is lipstick. So this lipstick is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, which this is one that I love and this is what I have on now also. So yeah, one lipstick. The next thing I have, and this is a must-have for me as well, is a spare mask. Whenever I go out, even if I'm just going out for errands, I do bring a mask along with me because let me count how many times I have broken a mask. I think more than 4 times. So this is why bringing an extra mask is essential for me. Not a lot of things left in the insert. So the next thing is my new sunglasses, which I am obsessed with. I have no idea why. I feel so hyper and I'm like singing a lot in today's video, which is really weird. But yeah, I mean, it shows how much that I miss you know, filming videos. So anyway, back to this. This is my latest and my newest pair of sunglasses. So the weather in Singapore is really erratic. Sometimes it can be so sunny and sometimes can just rain heavily. So I just always leave this, and what I love about this is that the case is it's pretty thin and pretty sleek, which is why I carry this around most of the time. And this is the pair I got, which is so pretty, and this is what I call my bad sunglasses. So it looks like this. We are down to the last few items, and the next item is something that I used to bring around with me a lot, but nowadays I realize I always forget, and it is my AirPods. I guess because I don't really go out as often these days, and even if I'm out, it's out for errands, so I don't really need my AirPods. But anyway, I have it in my bag for now, and that's that. And the next thing that I always, okay, I don't always carry, but if I do carry my Birkin, I usually leave the clochette and the lock. So it's basically this and the lock. I usually leave these inside the pouch where it comes together, and I will leave this in the bag just so I don't misplace this. And the next thing I have with me is my rubber band, which I usually keep around my hand, so I don't know why it's in my bag. But yeah, I need that because again, if the weather is hot, I always have my hair up. And the last thing that I have is a packet of tissues. Nothing that exciting, but yeah, that's everything that I have in my bag. Now this insert is empty, and oh yes, I got the insert for my Birkin in pink just so that it will match. And even with all of the things that I carry, I can still fit a ton of things in the insert. Like you can even put like a small book if you want to. Like I just like carrying the Birkin a lot because it's just a huge empty space, and I can just throw a bunch of things in, especially when I'm out running errands and I just need my bag to have easy access. That is everything for today's video. Again, if you guys are interested to check out these beautiful Ana Luisa pieces, I will be linking everything in the description box as usual, so do check that out. And one more thing I want to point out is I'm filming in a different background today, so my room is finally complete after like 2 or 3 months of getting everything together. It's been a huge process, but it's finally done, which is why I thought that I would film today's video in this little corner, in this comfy little nook I have in my room. And yeah, I will be filming another video soon. It is an unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As usual, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!